Before we start, you should know how to use hyperlinks. Basically, what you have to do is to be in the reading mode. Using hyperlinks, changing notebook covers and using stickers depends on the app you are using. So please check out my website and frequently asked questions or just message me. This video is for you regardless of which app you are using. For quick access to the index page, tap on the bottom of your planner. It will jump to the index page so you can move around your planner quickly. I will return to the tracker section, but now we will go with the other sections to show you how to use the blank templates and how to organize your notes. As you can see here, when I go to each section, there are also subsections for separating the blank templates to keep your notebook organized. You can copy and paste the templates that you only want to use and add them after the divider. Such on the notes, I tap on it, and as you can see here, there are blank templates for note taken. And if I want to go back to my notes, I tap on the Notes tab on the top of my planner, and here we are. We copy and paste the template we want to use after the divider. If you don't know how to duplicate pages, copy and paste, it depends on the app you are using. So as I told you before, please check out my website or just message me so I can help you. You can practice handwriting in these templates. And you can write the letters and pronunciations like that. And this is the same in horizontal. And you can focus on the letter pronunciations in this template. And you can give the examples for letters pronunciations in this page. And you can also use this template to write the words and pronunciations of them. In the vocabulary section, we have two subsections: vocabulary notes and vocabulary practice. Here are the blank templates for vocabulary notes. I wrote on the templates to show you how to use them. This template is like flashcards. You can put the photos and the definitions for memorizing the words visually. And these templates can be used in these ways and many other ways. I just wanted to show you to give you a few ideas. In this template, I write the word and the meaning and mark if it is masculine or feminine, or I write the masculine version or feminine version of it. For synonyms and opposite pages, I spent lots of time thinking about how to design them. One of my friends who is linguist helped me out. Really liked the idea. There is not only one synonym for a word, so we thought that it would be nice to give you space to customize your page. You can write the word and the definition and synonyms, or you can write up to 4 words, all synonyms of each other. If I want to write just a word and the opposite or synonym of it, I draw a line and divide it into 2 columns and use it like that. We also have vocabulary practice templates, and you can use them like that. It's very simple, so I don't have many things to say about it. The grammar section has 3 subsections: grammar notes, verb tenses, and verb conjugations. Grammar notes are simply corner note templates. We have different column options in the verb tenses subsection. You can use them as you wish, not only for verb tenses but also for vocabulary. I got this idea from one of my customers, Jacqueline. Thank you for it, by the way. She is learning Japanese and she customized her notebook for Japanese. These templates I showed you are just to give you a few ideas. I'm sure you can use them in many other ways. This is an Italian verb conjugations chart for 6 verbs. You can write the verb and the definition of it below, and the pronouns and verb conjugations here. This template is both for verb tenses and conjugations for one verb. This template is proper for most of Indo-European languages. You know, these pronouns are for singulars and these are for plurals. This template is for Arabic verb conjugations, and this template is for Sanskrit verb conjugations. In the sentence section, we have 4 templates, and I use them like that. In this template, I write the sentence and then what I learned down below. In this section, you can use these templates like that. I recommend you to focus on the corrections, not the mistakes. And sometimes I write these similar words and getting confused. Here we have 2 extra tabs. You can add any template you want and customize the tabs as you wish. When you want to separate your notes, you can use the extra dividers. As Jacqueline did in her Japanese notebook, she added extra dividers to separate the verbs. So she set up her notebook for the language she studies. In the trackers section, we have 2 subsections, trackers and planners. And here we have language resources, books to read, watch list, and checklist. In the planners section, we have yearly tracker and monthly planner. And we also have habit tracker. We also have daily and weekly planners, but you have to duplicate them to use. And lastly, I'm wishing you all happy studies, good luck, and see you later. Bye!